Hello friends, welcome back to another video from English Excel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about tritration and its types. First of all, you should know what is tritration. Tritration is a quantitative and volumetric technique to determine the unknown concentration of a solution by the known concentration of a solution in the presence of indicator is called tritration. Titration is a common laboratory method of using quantitative chemical analysis. This method is used to determine the unidentified concentration of a known analyte. The volume measurement is known as volumetric analysis and it is important in the titration. Now I will discuss types of titration. Titration are basically four types. Number 1, acid base titration. Number 2, redox titration. Number 3, precipitation titration. And number 4 is complexometric titration. Number 1 is acid base titration. The strength of an acid can be determined using a standard solution of a base. This process is called acidometry. In the same way, the strength of a base can be found with the help of a standard solution of an acid, which is known as alkalometry. Both titration involve in the neutralization reaction of an alkali. Now I will tell you what is acid-base titration. It is a quantitative analysis method to determine an acids or bases concentration by precisely neutralizing them with a standard solution of either acid or base of known concentration. It is monitored with the help of a pH indicator to know the development of the acid base reaction. Here I will show you some examples. Number 1, Ha plus BOH is equal to Ba plus H2O. Next is acid plus alkali is equal to salt plus water, or H plus A minus plus B plus OH minus is equal to B plus A minus plus H2O, or H plus OH minus is equal to H2O. Next is redox titration. The redox titration is also known as an oxidation reduction reaction. In this type of titration, the chemical reaction takes place with a transfer of electrons in the reacting ions of aqueous solution. The titration are named after the reagent that is used in are as follows. Number 1, permanganate titration. Number 2, dichromate titration. And the number 3 is iodometric and iodometric titration. Number 1 is permanganate titration. In this titration, the potassium permanganate is used as an oxidizing agent. It is maintained with the use of dilute sulfuric acid. Here is the equation: 2KMnO4 plus 3H2SO4 is equal to K2SO4 plus 2MnSO4 plus 3H2O plus 5O, or MnO minus 4 plus 8H plus 5E is equal to Mn2 plus 4H2O. Further, the solution remains colorless before the endpoint. The potassium permanganate is used to estimate oxalic acid, ferrous salt, hydrogen peroxide, oxalate and more, while the solution of potassium permanganate is always standardized before it is used. Number 2 is dichromate titrations. These are titrations in which potassium dichromate is used as an oxidizing agent in acidic medium. The medium is maintained acidic by the use of dilute sulfuric acid. The potential equation is K2Cr2O7 plus 4H2SO4 is equal to K2SO4 plus Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus 4H2O plus 3O, or Cr2O27 minus plus 14H plus 6E minus is equal to 2Cr3 plus 7H2O. The solution of potassium dichromate can be directly used for titration. It is mainly used for the estimation of ferrous salt and iodides. Number 3 is iodometric and iodometric titration. The reduction of free iodine to iodide ion and oxidation of iodide ion to free occurs in this titration. Here I will show some example. I2 plus 2E minus is equal to 2I, that is reduction, and 2I minus is equal to I2 plus 2E, that is oxidation. The solution is used as an indicator. Free iodine is used in the iodometric titration, while in the iodometric titration or an extraction reagent is used to react to liberate free iodine. Next is precipitation titration. The titration is based on the insoluble precipitate formation when the two reacting substances are brought into contact are called precipitation titration. For instance, when the solution of silver nitrate is used to a solution of ammonium thiocyanate or sodium chloride, it reacts and forms a white precipitation of silver thiocyanate or silver chloride. AgNO3 plus NaCl is equal to AgCl plus NaNO3, and AgNO3 plus NH4CnS is equal to AgCnS plus NH4NO3. And the last one is complexometric tritation. The complexometric tritation is where an undissociated complex is formed at an equivalence point. It is greater than the precipitation tritation and there will be no error due to co-precipitation. Here I will show some example. Hg2 plus 2SCN minus is equal to HgSCN whole 2, and Ag plus 2Cn minus is equal to AgCN whole 2 minus. Ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid EDTA is an important reagent that forms complex with metals. So friends, this is all about the titration and its type. I hope you understood the video. Thanks for watching.